The pros and cons of rain chains. Dear friends, rain chains, a beautiful yet functional alternative to traditional downspouts, have gained significant popularity in recent years. They can serve an important role in managing rainwater runoff from your roof while also adding an artistic element to your home's exterior. However, they come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. What are rain chains? Originating from Japan, rain chains are artistic alternatives to traditional downspouts. They are essentially a series of decorative cups or shapes chained together, which guide rainwater from your roof gutters down to the ground. When it rains, the water cascades down the chain to create a beautiful waterfall effect. Pros of rain chains. Easy to install. Rain chains are remarkably easy to install, which makes them a practical and user-friendly option. Typically, they can be hung directly from the hole in your gutter where the downspout was previously attached. Rain chains guide the water down and help to prevent water from pooling around your home's foundation. Aesthetic appeal. Rain chains are more than just functional, they are also a unique and beautiful addition to any home exterior. They come in a variety of designs and materials, including copper, aluminum, and brass. Environmentally friendly. Rain chains are an environmentally conscious choice for rainwater management. By guiding rainwater directly into the ground, a barrel or a garden, they reduce the amount of water that ends up in storm drains, lessening the strain on local water treatment facilities. Versatility. Rain chains are highly versatile in design, application, and installation. They can be added to any building with a gutter system, from quaint cottages to large commercial buildings. Cons of rain chains. Possible installation issues. While rain chains are praised for their simple installation process, potential issues can arise, particularly for those who own homes with unique architectural features. Additionally, incorrect or improper installation may lead to water damage, including splashing that could impact your home's siding or foundation. Limited water capacity. One of the key drawbacks of rain chains is their limited water capacity compared to traditional downspouts. During intense rainstorms, the water may overflow and spill outside the chain, which can potentially lead to water accumulating around the foundation of your house. Splash and splashback. Another potential downside to rain chains is the issue of splash and splashback. Unlike traditional downspouts that direct water flow in a controlled manner, rain chains allow water to fall freely, which can lead to water splashing onto nearby areas, such as walkways, decks, or the sides of the house. Freezing and icing. In colder climates, freezing and icing can be problematic for rain chains. As water travels down the chain, it may freeze, which can weigh down or damage the chain. This is especially common during freezing rain or snowfall when water solidifies before flowing off the chain. Ice can also block the links and disrupt water flow, causing spills. Noise level. A less frequently discussed, but notable con of rain chains is the noise factor. The sound of rain trickling down a chain can be incredibly soothing for some people. Maintenance. While rain chains don't clog, they do require regular cleaning to prevent the buildup of debris such as leaves and twigs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.